Hello everyone. In this video we will see an new exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of generate rows tool in Alteryx. So we can find out this generate rows tool in the preparation tab over here. So if we have taken the data and if we have inputted the data with the help of the input data, we can generate a row and it can be displayed in the result workflow. So the new row can be displayed by using the generate rows tool. So we will first use the generate rows tool directly. I will go to this preparation tab and click on the generate rows tool, drag it in the canvas, drop it over here. Now what I will do, I'll just click on run button, but before that you can see over here row count. So it is going to generate a column which is named as row count. A new field will be generated and it is going to take a count of 10 and it is going to increment it by 1. So over here the loop expression, so it is going to increment it by 1. I'll just click on run. So basically this is not going to affect the data as I have not taken any data, I have not imported any data, I have not connected it with the input data tool. So in this way you can generate the new field or you can generate the rows. So you can see the row count provided over here, so it is going up to 10. Yes, so it is going to increment it by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like this up to 10 it is going up. Now what we have to do, I can connect this with a input data source. I will drag this input data tool over here. Now I'll manually connect it with this particular generate rows tool. Now I'll going to connect this with a data. So I'll connect it with a data named as office city sales. So there is only one sheet in this particular file. So I'll click on open. Okay. Preview is available over here. I'll just click on run. So the file which I have inputted in the input data tool is office city sales.xlsx file. So it is available over here. So you can see this particular file which is having 6 fields, 6 columns are there. So these are the 6 columns and there are 18 records. Now what we have to do, we have to go over here in the generate rows, and as I have clicked on the output anchor of the generate rows, you can see over here a row count, create new field. The name of the new field is row count. Type which we have selected is int32, size is 4 and it is going to row count less than equal to 10. So up to 10. For 10 records it is going to be increment itself up to 10. After 10 records it will again start the counting from 1. So you can see over here. So as there are so 18 records are there. So likewise it is going up. So if I click on run, So this is going to be row count. A new row is going to be created. So that's it for this video. I hope you have understood. Thanks for watching.